Okay, dessert time. Make some almond ice cream. Just finished maybe about a couple hours ago. Some mashed potatoes and salad, toppings, good dinner. And now it's time for dessert. Okay, I'm gonna make my protein ice cream. Vanilla. Okay, yep, we are ready to go now. Vitamix scale. Since I'm doing a half serving inside this small container, I'm gonna go ahead and change everything on the fly. So instead of instead of using a recipe for a 48 ounce, I'm going to use half the serving for the small one, the 40 ounce, which put it right here. Everything is on the fly with the perfect blend scale. That's why I love it so much. So easy to use. Look at this, easy. Okay, so it says skim milk, but I'm going to use the almond milk. So the calories is actually going to be less than what it says. Right. These are my almond milk cubes. Alright, for the liquid portion of it, I'm just going to use regular skim milk, so that's going to be accurate. Okay, I'll leave that out because I'm going to do this twice because I'm going to do one for my wife and one for myself. Whey protein. Now I have pretty much the same menu every day. I do small variations, and that's because I follow a very strict diet. It's a balanced diet, but right now I'm reduced calorie, and it's a high protein diet. Okay, vanilla extract. As you can see, I'm just grabbing everything from the pantry. And just doing this fast. This is the benefit of the Vitamix scale. Everything is very fast. I don't have to consider anything, think of anything, I just go ahead and do it. Just follow the instructions. You don't have to have a smart blender like the Ascent or the Venturist to have the benefits of the app. The app tells you exactly what to do. So instead of beaming it via Bluetooth to the machine and having it do it automatically, you just follow what the screen says, and I'll show you. This is part of the 90-day challenge to test the Vitamix S50. If you've never seen one of my previous videos, it's just to show that this machine is worth its price despite what other people say. It does all the functions of a Vitamix, a full-size Vitamix, but in a travel size. Now people confuse personal blending with full-size blending, where they compare the two and say, oh well, this one can't really do what a full-size one does. Yes, it does. It just does it in a smaller scale that's more portable. Okay, so here's the cubes. We're gonna put the cubes in there. Okay, and these are standard cubes. Standard size cubes from a refrigerator ice tray. Now some refrigerators have different size ice cubes. Don't assume every single ice cube is the same. Some are bigger, some are smaller, and if they're too big, they won't go down into the blade. But some people just like to generalize everything and make sweeping statements that the machine can't do a certain job, and that's completely false. That's user error. Okay, like I said, this is a screen where it tells you what to do. In this case, it's 40 seconds, and you just follow the dial. If it tells you 1, then it'll go to 10, and then the timer will count down. If it's a different program, it might say go up to whatever speed, max speed, maybe a slower speed. It guides you the whole way. So that's what I'm going to do, if I can find my lid. Okay, this is going to be very easy. You're going to see it start at 1, go up to 10. Sometimes the ice cubes will get jammed up. You just gotta use the tamper and just kind of mess with it to get it inside the, to get it to go into the blades. Very simple. Some people will just whine and complain about it when it really is kind of dumb because it's user error. Now, if this was the full skim milk recipe, it would be 163 calories in total, which there is some remaining in here. There's always going to be some overage, so it's not going to be exactly the same. See, 151 calories. If I could get every single last drop of this mixture in there, it would be the 163 calories, but. And this is almond milk, so it's fewer calories than what it says in that recipe. So I'm just gonna put that in the freezer. Okay. And now we're gonna go back down. We'll just go ahead and finish this. And